everyone and welcome back. I'm Shay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie. Now, what is a smoothie? A smoothie is a thick, smooth drink that can be made with fresh fruits or vegetables, pureed with milk or yogurt, and of course served chilled or cold. Now, the great thing about smoothies are they can be so healthy and nutritious, and that is good for your body. Now, with smoothies, you can have this drink any time of the day. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it as a snack, you can have it lunch, you can have it as supper. So, if you want to see how to make these smoothies, keep watching.
So today I will show you how to make a simple green smoothie and tropical smoothie. The ingredients used for the green smoothie is as followed, and remember, you can choose any alternative that works best for you. Spinach leaves, milk of choice, I'm using almond milk, or you can use coconut water, chia seeds, flax seeds, protein powder, which is optional, banana and pineapple with ice. Now I will identify the items, the ingredients, the equipment and the tools used. I have my spinach leaves, which is washed, drained. I have my pineapple cut in cubes. I have banana peeled and sliced, chia seeds, flax seeds, and my protein powder. I also have already measured in my blender 1 cup of almond milk. I must make mention that I'm using an electric blender. I am using a rubber spatula and measuring spoons. For the chia seeds and the flax seeds, I used about 1 teaspoon each. Now you can see what I'm simply doing is measuring out dry ingredients and adding it to the blender with all remaining ingredients to be blended. I interrupted the lesson to inform you as to the reason why I'm using a vegan protein, because protein powder in itself is a popular nutritional supplement. Protein is an essential macronutrient that helps build muscle, repair tissue, and make enzymes and hormones. Using protein powder may also aid in weight loss and help people tone their muscles. And the reason why I'm using this particular vegan protein is because it contains pea protein, brown rice protein, and pumpkin protein, which are all vegetable based or vegan based. It also contains coconut oil powder, natural flavors, stevia for that little touch of sweetness, and digestive enzyme blend. The vegan protein comes with a scoop, so I just use 1 scoop for 1 cup of milk. And like I mentioned before, I'm just adding all the ingredients in the blender, and after that I'm going to blend it. The finished product should look like this. It's a smooth green consistency. Moving right along to the tropical smoothie, what you would need is pineapple, banana, mangoes, plain or vanilla Greek yogurt preferably, ice, and milk. I am using ripe starch mangoes and ripe bananas. Just like before, I am adding all of my ingredients to the blender and then I'm going to blend for a few seconds. This is what your smoothie should look like after blending, and you just add it to your drinking vessel for garnishing purposes or decorative purposes. I added some spices, cinnamon and nutmeg.
Always remember that every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now.